Did you know MTN is giving away free 1 gig to MTN users? You don't need to recharge or you don't need airtime. The only thing that you need is the MTN app. So make sure you download that app right now and make sure you follow along. So if you're watching this video after 6 months or 2 months or 1 and you don't see this at all or this is not working at all, the chances are this promo has ended. So for you to not miss the next promo, just have to make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure the bell icon is on so that you will get notifications. So before I start, guys, I just want to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and on my next video you'll get a shout out. So guys, I did this before and I got this free data, and here's the proof, right? If you don't believe me, here is the proof. I did this before, so I just try it with my other SIM card, guys. So make sure you follow along. So right after you download that MTN app, so you just have to click it, right? So just have to click on register, and after you register, just select one of these. Have an MTN number, click on it if you want to go with it, and after that enter your number and then confirm it, right? And after you confirm it, they're gonna send a link via SMS, right? So just have to make sure you click on that link, and after you click on that link, it will verify your account. You do not even have to have data for that. So after that, just have to make sure you create your login pin, right? Make sure you create your login pin. So right now I'm just gonna log in and show you, right? So here am I. So I'm in my app right now. So guys, as I said, I did this before with my other SIM card. So right now I'm using the other number, so I'm just trying to claim it again with my other number. So is 0 right now, there's nothing, but I did this with my other SIM card. So guys, make sure you keep on checking it. So if you see 0, like there's nothing to claim, keep on checking it, right? Keep on checking it almost every day if you can, or every week, right? So eventually you're gonna see it one, and after that just have to click on it, right? So you're gonna click on it right there, and if there's something, right, if there's something like here, so you're just gonna write this, right? It's gonna expire after 24 hours. So this is not like 1 day, right? If you claim this around, let's say you claim it at 1 a.m. today, it's gonna expire tomorrow at 1 a.m. the following day after 1 a.m. unlike when you claim it at 1 a.m. and then it's gonna expire at 12 a.m. this one is gonna expire after 24 hours. And right guys, after that just have to click on claim. Right after you click on claim, you're gonna get an SMS, right? Gonna get an SMS, and even you can just go back to your app and check the balance, guys. This is all on how to claim your free 1 gig on MTN, guys. So if you want to make money by just watching videos, guys, make sure you check out this video right here.